Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, good morning. We have a lot to do today, but it feels so good outside. Like, we just got done with a bunch of snow. We had like a lot of snow for like a good week. And you know, in Tennessee, people down here in the south are not ready for the snow. So I wasn't able to work on my car. I wasn't able to go out and drive because all the roads were slick with ice. It was gnarly. But today, I finally get to work on my cars. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna make a video about this one. This is my brand new car, 96 Honda Accord Coupe. I've been wanting this car for so freaking long, and I finally found the one. And it was actually really cool how I found this car. I'll tell you guys about that story in another video. But today, we're gonna work on the Camry. Little kitty cat. There's like a bunch of like neighborhood cats around here. What's up, Bubsy? You come here. No, my mommy. That's my man's. Oh, Bubsy. What? So yeah, today we're working on the Camry. So I went to the junkyard not too long ago, and I grabbed some parts because I'll just show you guys. So the motor mounts, whenever I got this car, I gotta pop the hood real quick. As you guys can see, this motor mount right here is, let's turn my flash on if that helps. It's like super cracked up, and it's about to go. So I went to the junkyard before all the snow had happened, and I got a damn near brand new motor mount. So this one right here, brand new almost. Like, no, I say brand new, but compared to that one, like it's so much better. And I got this for like $3-4. Like a brand new motor mount would have been like 30-40 bucks. So boy, I had to get this one. You guys have a 97 to 2000 Toyota Camry. This will be the perfect guide for you guys. It's so simple. It's just, if you would, plug and play. Take this screw out, take this pin out, and it slides out itself. And then you swing this one out right here, push it out that way, and just pull it up. You take that one, obviously, pop it, pop, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And then on top of that, after I get the motor mount done, because it's so nice out today, like, oh my god. I think I'm gonna take this car to get washed, and then I might honestly head to the junkyard. I don't necessarily need parts, but I would love to get some parts. Just why not, you know? It's actually a 9/16, but I guess if you want to convert that to millimeters, your best bet's like a 14 mil. Also, you know, I'm really about just working smarter, not harder, and I don't want to fucking bend over, you know, all day over my engine bay. So brought the chair here, and we're just gonna work at it, because why not? So like I was saying earlier, you want to take your 9/16 and crack this bad boy right here. So after you get it cracked, obviously you just gotta twist that bad boy right there, take it out. And just pull the pin out, just like that. Slide that out, and that goes right there. You know, obviously you really can't mix them up because this one's longer, so it doesn't really matter at that point. But yeah, I said now you just gotta take it out, wiggle it out, and there you go. That is the old motor mount right there. Oh my god, guys, look how bad that is. Oh man, that was bound for disaster. Jesus Christ, dude, look at this. I can move it around. Oh my god, look. Guys, that just popped out. Oh my god. I was driving around with this, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh man. Alright, well, I'm glad I changed this now before it freaking flew out when I was driving and then the engine dropped. Oh, alright. So, out with that shit, in with the new one. Kind of just goes in. The old one came out. just like that. Make sure your holes are lined up. Obviously a short bolt goes in here like that, and you can just hand tighten it back down. Take your second bolt, the longer pin, and then slide that bad boy in there. Last but not least, please do not forget to torque down your freaking bolts. All right, so you're gonna torque it down to 47 foot-pounds. And just like that, we got ourselves a new motor mount. Yee. So, just to show you guys what I was working with, this is the new, this is the before. Jesus Christ. Change your motor mounts, guys, please do. If you ever see your motor mount looking anything like this, even before it looks like this, please change it out. Do yourself a solid. Oh, just a heads up for everyone out there. So I'm actually getting rid of a bunch of stuff on the Accord because I want to build it up my way, and this car came with like a bunch of goodies. I'm getting rid of these right here. These are the 97 OEM Honda Accord rims with custom center caps for them. Getting rid of the tail lights. So if you guys are interested in Accord tail lights, let me know. Front grille. I actually have I have this one, and then I have an OEM grill as well that I'll show you guys in a little bit that I'm getting rid of. I'm getting rid of these strut bars right here. I'm getting rid of the intake. So yeah, I plan on doing a motor swap soon. So if you guys are looking for a F22B2 with some custom headers, let your boy know. These are going, this is going, these are going right here. I have the front and rear strut bars. I'm either going with AEM or engine. So let me guys know in the comments down below if you guys like AEM better or if you like the engine. I've personally never used engine intakes, but I've heard a lot of good things and I want to try something new. Let me know in the comments down below if it's worth, if I should stick with AEM or if I should try engine out. So let your boy know. And you guys follow me to the back. Getting rid of this bad boy right here. Got a 12-inch kicker, Comp VR. Got a rear strut bar right there. It's blue, it's pretty cool. So let your boy know if you're interested in these, some BBSs, really any other part that I've mentioned so far in this past minute or so. Shout out to Kota and I, you know, their method of everything is for sale. I love that. So yeah, everything is for sale. I'm building it up my way because this is like my baby. This is like one of my dream cars that I've always wanted, and now I have it. So your boy's gonna build it up right. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested in any of these parts because everything's for sale.
Maestro.